Hello, I'm Keith with Living Water, and I'm here with our clients, Chris and Alasha. We did an entire backyard. We did some pavers, a backyard barbecue, a pergola, and a lot of landscaping. So guys, tell us, what was your overall experience working with Living Water?
It's been a great experience. It was super easy from beginning to end. We felt really supported. It's nice to have like a small group to work with, and everybody was super helpful.
And guys, what was it like working with our team?
The team was wonderful. Keith, you've been super great from beginning to end. The financial officer, she ran us through everything. The field team was great. They answered all of our questions. They were here on time. They got everything done when they said that they were going to do. Everything was beautiful at the end. We got to check and make sure all the plants were happy, and yeah, it looks great. It was wonderful.
What was your favorite part of your landscape?
I love it all. I especially asked for flowers, and you were able to find a bunch of flowers, flowering plants that look really beautiful. I love entertaining out here, having people over. It's really awesome.
I just really love the way everything looks. Look, it's a super sweet grill, so it looks great.
Would you guys recommend Living Water to anybody else?
Absolutely. The results are speaking for themselves. It looks great.
I absolutely would. I would recommend it to anybody that's looking for landscaping.
All right, Chris. All right, Alasha, I'd like to thank you guys for your business. And that is me, Keith with Living Water.